Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to play the E flat major scale on the viola, as well as the E major and the B flat and B major. All of these scales are going to start from our second finger, and we are going to use an open hand shape for these scales, which means we have a tone between each of the fingers. Thanks so much for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below right now. And if you're a regular, welcome on back. E flat major. So starting from low 2 on the C string, 2, 3, 4, then pulling the 1 back for a low 1 on the G string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finishing with low 1 for E flat on the D string, and back down the same way. For the arpeggio, we're going to go 2, 4, 2, low 1 at the top, and back down with 2, 4, 2. We'll have the exact same pattern for the B flat major from the G string. So again, finding your normal first finger position and put your low 2 next to it for your B flat, and then climbing up with our open shape. So this pattern or the open hand shape pattern will be the same to play your E major and your B major. So in this case, instead of starting from your low 2 position, you're starting from your middle second finger position, which is E on the C string, or B natural on the G string. The arpeggio and B major. So for the case of these ones, we don't need to pull that 1 back, it's just a regular 1 position with a tone to 2. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finishing with 1 up on the A string, back down with 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. I hope you found that tutorial helpful. Thank you for joining me here today. Make sure you hit the like button down below. Let me know in the comments what you liked about this video and what you'd like to see in other videos, and I will see you next time.